Forget expensive cleaners and harsh chemical sprays. Dust is a constant problem in every home and often seems to return the moment cleaning is finished. Many people rely on commercial products that promise fast results, but come with strong smells, high prices, and ingredients that are not always pleasant to use daily. That is why this simple, natural solution is a great alternative. It can be prepared at home in just a few minutes and helps surfaces stay clean and fresh for much longer. Start by pouring 400 milliliters of distilled water into a container. Distilled water is the best base because it contains no minerals, chlorine, or impurities that could leave marks on furniture, glass, or delicate surfaces. It allows the other ingredients to mix evenly and work more effectively. Next, add 100 milliliters of white vinegar. Vinegar is a powerful natural cleaner that easily breaks down grease and fine dust. Its mild acidity helps remove dirt and slows down the return of dust while leaving surfaces clean, refreshed, and free from strong chemical odors. Then add 1 tablespoon of vegetable glycerin. Vegetable glycerin creates a very thin, invisible protective layer with a mild anti-static effect, which helps reduce how quickly dust settles on surfaces. It does not leave greasy residue and gives furniture a clean, well-cared-for appearance. Finally, add a few drops of peppermint essential oil. It has natural antibacterial properties and leaves the room smelling fresh and clean. Its strong scent may also help discourage insects such as ants, spiders, and mosquitoes, making it a useful addition to this natural cleaning solution. Mix all ingredients well and pour the liquid into a spray bottle. You now have a gentle, effective, and natural dusting spray that cleans, protects surfaces, and leaves a pleasant scent in your home. If you found this recipe helpful, feel free to share it with others. It may help them discover how easy it is to keep their home fresh and clean without harsh chemicals. Enjoy your cleaning and the feeling of a tidy, pleasant space.